Every year, American families sit down to dinners featuring pork chops, bacon, and ham. But few ever see what happens before that meat reaches the grocery factory. We go inside one of America's largest pork processing facilities. It all starts with American farmers. Family farms across the Midwest raise these hogs with care and attention. When ready, they're transported in specially designed trucks to processing facilities here in the heartland of America. Upon arrival, animals rest in climate-controlled barns with access to food and water. USDA inspectors are present at all times, ensuring every step meets strict animal welfare standards. Moving through the facility is designed to be calm and stress-free. Trained handlers guide animals through shaded walkways without force. This isn't just humane, it actually produces better-tasting pork. At the processing point, Humane stunning ensures animals feel no pain. This is done by trained professionals under constant USDA supervision using methods specifically approved for swine. The process is instantaneous and strictly regulated by federal law. Immediately after, USDA inspectors examine every single carcass. Federal law requires this, ensuring only healthy, properly processed meat moves forward. America has the safest food supply in the world. Next comes scalding, a hot water bath that prepares the surface for further processing. Temperature is precisely controlled to ensure food safety while maintaining quality. High-speed dehairing machines now remove all hair. Rubber fingers gently but effectively clean the surface while water sprays wash away debris. The result is perfectly clean carcasses ready for further processing. Carcasses now hang from stainless steel gambrels, moving through the facility on overhead rails. This system allows workers to access every part efficiently while maintaining strict hygiene standards. In the evisceration area, skilled workers carefully remove internal organs. USDA inspectors watch closely, examining organs for any signs of disease. If anything looks wrong, the entire carcass is removed. Every organ is inspected by USDA veterinarians. They're looking for anything unusual, and they're trained to spot the smallest abnormality. This is why American pork is trusted worldwide. Carcasses are now split down the middle into two halves. Large saws make precise cuts while workers maintain control. Safety systems protect workers while ensuring clean, accurate splitting. A final rinse with antimicrobial solution ensures any remaining bacteria are eliminated. This USDA-approved treatment is one more step in America's multi-layered food safety system. Carcasses now enter the chill cooler, a massive refrigerator where temperature is precisely controlled. Over the next 24 hours, they'll cool slowly, ensuring safety and preventing bacterial growth. Inside the cooler, thousands of carcasses hang at precisely 34 degrees Fahrenheit. This slow chilling process is critical for food safety and also improves meat tenderness and flavor. Throughout chilling, workers constantly check temperatures. Every carcass must reach the required internal temperature before moving to fabrication. Data is logged electronically for USDA review. Now begins the fabrication process, turning whole carcasses into the cuts you recognize. Workers in full sanitary gear staff these stations, each specializing in specific cuts. First come primal cuts, the major sections of the hog. Shoulders, loins, and hams are separated by skilled butchers. Each cut is made exactly where it should be. On the boning line, skilled workers remove bones from hams and shoulders. Every motion is efficient, minimizing waste while keeping meat intact. These workers are true craftsmen. Pork chops come from the loin. High-speed saws cut perfect slices at exactly the right thickness, whether you prefer thin breakfast chops or thick, juicy cuts for grilling. Consistency is everything. Bacon starts here, with pork bellies. Workers trim each belly to perfect rectangle, removing any uneven edges. Soon, these bellies will become the bacon America loves for breakfast. Bacon gets its flavor from curing. Multiple needles inject a precise mixture of salt, sugar, and seasonings deep into each belly. This happens so fast you barely see it, but the result is perfect bacon. Now comes the smoke. In traditional smokehouses, bacon hangs for hours absorbing real wood smoke. Hickory, applewood, or maple, each gives bacon its distinctive flavor. Real smoke, not artificial flavoring. After smoking, bacon is sliced paper thin at incredible speeds. These machines slice thousands of pieces per minute with amazing precision. Each slice is exactly the same thickness for even cooking. Sliced bacon is immediately vacuum sealed to maintain freshness. Each package is dated and coded for tracking. From smoker to sealed package in minutes, that's modern efficiency. Hams receive similar attention. Skilled workers trim and shape each ham for its final purpose, whether destined for smoking, curing, or becoming spiral-sliced holiday hams. For boneless hams, bones are removed while keeping the meat intact. Then the ham is rolled, tied, and netted. Traditional butchery skills that machines still can't match completely. Not every part becomes whole cuts. Quality trimmings are ground into fresh pork for sausages, meatballs, and countless recipes. Nothing is wasted, it's all part of honoring the animal. Sausages take shape as seasoned ground pork is stuffed into natural or collagen casings. Italian, breakfast, bratwurst, each recipe is blended and linked according to tradition.
This batch shows no pathogens. Composition is verified.
Storage temperature is stable at 4.1 degrees Celsius.
Science protects every bite.
Temperature is stable in cooler 1. Alert on cooler 2. Initiating log.
Acknowledged. Data logged.
Temperature is monitored 24/7 throughout the facility. Now products are packaged for their final destination. Trays are filled, sealed with film, and labeled with weights and dates. Everything is designed for freshness and food safety. Boxes are filled, sealed, and stacked on pallets. Each box is labeled with contents, weight, and destination. Scanners track everything, ensuring complete traceability from farm to table. In cold storage, finished products wait for shipment. At 10 degrees below zero, they stay perfectly preserved until trucks arrive to take them to distributors across America. Refrigerated trucks now load for delivery. Every trailer is pre-cooled and temperature monitored throughout the journey. From factory to store, the cold chain never breaks. Across America's highways, these trucks travel day and night, delivering fresh pork to grocery stores, restaurants, and butchers from coast to coast. It's a logistics operation of incredible scale. Finally, the pork reaches your local grocery store. In the meat department, shoppers choose from pork chops, roasts, bacon, and sausages.
These bone-in results are this incredible but varied process.
And then it reaches the table. Families across America gather for dinners featuring pork, a tradition as old as the country itself. From farmer to family, it's a journey worth understanding. But let's not forget where it starts, with American farmers. Family farms that have raised hogs for generations. They're the foundation of everything, and their dedication shows in every bite. Veterinarians work closely with farmers to keep animals healthy. Regular checkups, vaccines, and careful nutrition ensure hogs thrive. Healthy animals mean safe, high-quality pork. Modern pork production also means sustainability. Farmers use manure for fertilizer, install solar panels, and recycle water. Feeding America shouldn't cost the earth, and these farmers agree. Throughout this entire process, USDA inspectors are always present. They're federal employees with one job: protecting consumers. Their presence ensures every rule is followed, every time. Behind every package of pork are American workers, men and women who show up every day, doing skilled work with pride. They're the reason American pork is trusted worldwide. And the next generation is learning too. In training facilities across America, young workers learn the skills their parents and grandparents perfected. The craft continues. The texture is perfect. This will be a great base.
Agreed. Let's try adding this spice blend next.
This opens up so many possibilities for new recipes. Exactly. This is the future of pork. American pork isn't just for Americans. Countries around the world trust our safety standards and quality. From Japan to Mexico, Germany to South Korea, American pork feeds the world. From the old Chicago stockyards to today's high-tech facilities, American meat processing has transformed. What hasn't changed is the commitment to quality that built this industry. Think of all the ways Americans enjoy pork. Breakfast bacon, lunch sandwiches, dinner chops, holiday hams. It's part of our food culture, and now you know how it gets to your plate. At every step, there are skilled hands. People who take pride in their work, knowing they're feeding families. It's more than a job, it's a calling. If you liked the video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time on All Actory Word, where American food manufacturing comes to life.